of a packed Xinjiang Stadium in New Taipei City. Ito na po ang pagbubukas ng kampanya ng Smart Gilas Pilipinas at ang ating makakatapat, ang two-time defending Jones Cup champions na Islamic Republic of Iran. Mag-umar dyan po kasama si Jason Webb, bringing you the action over Active on IBC. What a tough assignment for our opening day.
Itong magiging laban ng Pilipinas, hindi magiging madali dahil gaya nga na nabanggit mo, we will be facing right away ang ating defending champion of the Jones Cup. And para sa Pilipinas, usually when you go into a tournament, gusto mo para step ladder yung dating. Yung mahina mo na makakalaban mo, tapos pahirap ng pahirap. That is not going to be the case dahil unang kalaban kaagad ng Pilipinas ang two-time defending champion.
So Smart Gilas Pilipinas will be taking on this massive lineup ng Iran, bannered of course by their NBA player mula sa inyong Memphis Grizzlies. Napakalaki talaga na itong mga player ng Iran.
When you look at this lineup, kita mo ang pinakamaliit na player nila, 6-footer. Yan yung mga gwardiya nila. But guys to look out for, obviously, dun sa bandang gitna, no? Tingnan nyo, yung 7-1. Meron sila isa dyan, player
si Hamed Edadi.
Si Hamed Edadi, like he said, a player from the Memphis Grizzlies. But he's not actually going to be the short or the tallest player on that team dahil meron pa silang mas matangkad. Kaya sa kay Edadi, itong si Jaber Ruzbahani, ito naman, 7'3", meron pa silang 6'10 dyan, si Musa Nabipur. And for those that actually had the opportunity to watch the FIBA Champions Cup, some of the players that are here in this lineup, kasama at naglaro mismo dun sa FIBA Asia Champions Cup. At ito rin yung nagpahirap sa atin dun sa torneo na yon.
So yan nga po ang daunting task in front of Smart Gilas Pilipinas. At yan naman po ang ating mga national players. Siyempre yung guard lineup natin, ang banner natin dyan, led by JV Casio. Pero meron na naman tayo mga nakuha mula sa PBA, si Paul Asi Taulava na dyan at si Dondon Ontiveros.
Dondon Ontiveros and as well as Asi Taulava. Guys that have been here before. Nakalaro na yan ng Jones Cup. They know what the tournament is like. But also, you have our other guys that have been doing their craft for quite some time in international competition. You look at our lineup, nandiyan si Baroka, you have JV Casio. A lot will be expected out of JV Casio in this tournament. Dylan Ababu, Japet Aguilar. We'll see if Japet Aguilar will continue his excellent play of late at least. You said Dondon Ontiveros nga will bring that veteran leadership. Barakel is there, and si Ballesteros, of course. Taulava will have his hands full because the big players of Iran, Chris Chu will offer his shooting as well as his three-point shooting. Lassiter as well, and doubt it, he will have to play major minutes because of the size difference that we will see today. And finally, ito si Chris Lutz.
So yan nga po ang magko-comprise ng inyong Smart Gilas Pilipinas national team. At opening day pa lang tayo dito sa 33rd edition ng inyong William Jones Cup. Ito po ang itsura ng the rest of the schedule all the way to Friday po yan bago pumasok yung playoffs next Saturday and Sunday.
Araw-araw po ang laban ng Pilipinas. Today is the first game. And tomorrow, August 7, makakalaban ng Taipei. Tapos yan, Jordan, Malaysia, Korea, UAE, tapos Japan. When you look at this schedule, hindi mo pwede sabihin na magkakaroon ng maraming off day yung Pilipinas dahil ang daming malalakas na team na nandito ngayon sa Jones Cup. You would be thinking that Taipei would also give the Philippines at least a run for their money just because they are the hosts. At nandyan ang Korea as well as Japan. And of course, our very first assignment might be the hardest one.
So we are just moments away from tip-off sa bakbakan natin kontra sa two-time defending Jones Cup champions na Iran. Tutok lang kayo dito sa Active on IBC sa aming pagbabalik. Bakbakan na! Yan po ang starting units na magkabilang koponan to open this game sa Jones Cup. It is going to be the Islamic Republic of Iran taking on Smart Gilas Pilipinas, coming to you from the Xinjiang Stadium in New Taipei City. Any surprises there, Jason?
Well, it's a surprise to see Mark Andy Baroka starting for the Philippines. Usually you'd see to si JV Casio, playing that point guard. But obviously those minutes will be shared by those two guys. And JV Casio could give the Philippines a scoring punch coming from the bench. Very important that the Philippines be able to maintain a continuous flow in terms of pagpasok ng puntos para sa ating koponan.
Para dito sa Smart Gilas Pilipinas, mula noong FIBA Asia Championships, nakapaglaro sila sa Siaba, pero after that, they've only had 4 full basketball games. How big a factor will that be, Jason?
Hard. It will be hard because you want to have your players be in game shape. There's a difference between just being in shape and being in game shape. And you can only be in game shape pag naglalaro ka ng torneo. At yung Pilipinas, hindi nga natuloy yung ibang biyahe para sa kanilang pagpa-practice para dito sa Jones Cup. But still, they were able to practice hard. They were able to practice together. And that's what's important, to be able to inculcate itong si Asi Taulava at saka si Dondon Ontiveros dun sa sistema nila.
At yun naman ang maganda, nakita nyo, kanika-kanila lamang, kahit saan naman talaga magpunta ang inyong Smart Gilas Pilipinas, lumalabas ang mga Filipino, lalong-lalo na annually. Basta magko-compete ang kahit na anong national team ng Pilipinas, lumalabas talaga dito sa Taipei ang ating mga kababayan.
And again, here's that starting lineup. We're gonna have Baroka, Chris Chu, Japet, Marcus Doutet, and Chris Lutz start for the Philippines. On the other hand, yan yung mga Iranian na makakatapat nila. Si Haddadi hindi magsa-start para sa Iran. So Philippines hoping to have a good start. That's what you want to have. You're coming in fresh into this new tournament. You want to be able to take away those early game jitters, and nothing better than to have a good start para mawala yung mga kung anumang nervyos ang maaaring maramdaman sa simula ng torneo.
So bakit yung number 19 si Davar Panafard hindi mo binanggit? So here we go. Ayan po si Edadi, miyembro ng Memphis Grizzlies. Ngayong naka-lockout na NBA, kaya naman available siya all summer long para dito sa national team ng Iran. So hindi titigil dito yan hanggang sa FIBA Asia Championship. Sigurado makikipagbakbakan yan. And itong si Marcus Doutet, ang ating pinakabagong Pilipino, definitely will have to work triple time without getting into foul trouble.
Yes, Marcus Doutet will have his hands full, definitely. But having Asi Taulava there, although you don't expect Asi to play as many minutes as Marcus Doutet, but at least right now with Asi being loaned over to Smart Gilas, kahit na papano, merong papalit dito kay Doutet pag nagkaroon siya ng napagod siya o kaya nagkaroon ng foul trouble.
So jump ball center court, ang ating Team Pilipinas naka-asul, nakaputi naman ang mga taga-Iran.
At eto na, Philippines looking to have a good start here in the Jones Cup.
It is going to be Cardust jumping it up against Marcus Doutet. Galing dito sa Hinshuang Stadium in New Taipei City. And the Blue Boys of the Philippines get first crack at the basket.
Gotta start well, gotta run your sets early. You know, when you're starting off this new campaign, the one thing that you go to is your system.
They go over to Doutet, almost bobbling that leather. Doutet contra Cardus from the outside. Doutet looking to take him off the dribble. At putungo siya sa ating free throw line. He's gonna have to earn his first 2 points.
Marcus Doutet will get to the free throw line, but you can start for a part of that offense nung huling portion. Kinailangan na mag-create ito si Marcus Doutet. Bakit? Because a lot of the players started to look at him, nawala yung movement. Philippines gotta stay away from that. Gotta continue with the people movement even away from the basketball.
Doutet scores the first point of the game para dito sa Smart Gilas Pilipinas. The 31-year-old naturalized Filipino goes 2 for 2. At sa right away, pressure in the backcourt galing dito sa Gilas Pilipinas. Just to delay the attack of the Iranians. They move that letter down low. Cardust on the run.
Good help.
And here comes Team Pilipinas. They go to the left side. Stop and pop. Long two. Doesn't work. Doutet for the rebound.
Doutet making a difference very early, Magoo. 1-1 and nakuha na siya ng mga puntos. Nakasupalpal na siya, tapos nakakuha na rin siya ng rebound.
Baroka looking to set it up. Shot clock at 14. They go to Douthit once again. His pull-up jumper, Mintis. Rebound para dito sa Iran. Davari races down the floor. Na libre para tres. Kapos. Baroka ends up with that leather. Baroka in the front court para dito sa Pilipinas. Will they look for Douthit once again? Japet Aguilar may tangan. Goes to Douthit sa kabilang dako naman. Pasok para kay Marcus.
Excellent play there being called by the Philippines. Nakita niyo yung ball movement. Marcus Douthit finally getting a good look, open look because of a cross screen by the Philippines.
Davari. His pass almost taken away. And over and back violation dahil nahawakan pa rin naman. Neto ni Davar Panfarad.
Sabi natin, kailangan ng Pilipinas good start. It's 4-0 right now for the Philippines. They've been doing it off defensively, stopping itong Iran a couple of times that Iran has had the basketball. And offensively, they've gotten their points.
Oh, big steal by the Iranians. And they will go all the way for the slam. And the first 2 points for Iran. 4-2 is the score. 2 minutes into the action. Sa New Taipei City. Baroka na libre. Three-pointer is good.
If Mark Baroka can make that shot from the three-point line, he will be definitely hard to stop.
Davari attacking the defense of Team Pilipinas is fouled by Chris Lutz. And both coaches working the sidelines here. So sideline inbound para dito sa Iran. Tandaan natin, naging bisita din natin itong Iran in the recent FIBA Asia Champions Cup kung saan second place lang ang kanilang napanalunan na after losing to Lebanon. 2-time defending champion din yung Maram nun. Actually, 4-time defending champion yung Iran pero nabasag yung kanilang streak. Maulit ba dito sa Jones Cup?
Philippines hoping that that will be the case. So far here, itong Iran is able to attack at na-atake nila yung depensa ng mga gwardya natin.
Sina-challenge nga na itong mga Iranian ng ating mga gwardya, taking him off the dribble. At dun sa pasa, merong foul.
That is a poor call right there. Iranian already with one step ahead of the Philippines, and ito sundot lang sa likod. That is not a foul.
Pangalawang personal foul yan para kay Chris Lutz, kaya naman di siya makapaniwala.
And the thing is, yung referee nasa ilalim, si Chris Lutz nasa likod nung player na umatake. There is no way physically possible for you to see kung tatama yung palo ni Chris Lutz dahil nasa hinaharangan siya ng tao na may bola eh.
Marcio Lassiter ang pumasok para dito sa may dalawang personal foul na Chris Lutz and merong offensive foul na nakita naman sa kabilang dulo. Davari whistled for this one.
Yeah, you can feel almost championship energy right here. It's the first game for both squads dito sa Jones Cup. Pero yung alam nung dalawang team na to na sila ang ilan sa mga team na talagang magpapahirap o may pagkakataon makapasok sa finals dito sa Jones Cup.
Baroka on the run, Mintis. Rebound battle. Nakuyog doon si Marcus Douthit. Tumatakbo na naman taga-Iran pero a counter steal here. Lassiter has it taken away. Helter-skelter basketball ang ating natutunghayan. At sa loob, Japet Aguilar bothering that attempt, forcing the turnover.
We've played over 4 minutes, pero yung aksyon na nakakita natin dito sa ating unang yugto, napakatindi. Good steal by Lassiter and also counter steal to part of Iran.
Baroka itinawid ang bola. Lassiter slides. They go to Douthit. Ngayon si Lassiter didiskarte. Look at the ball movement of the Philippines. They go to the right side. Over to Douthit on the run. Mintis, rebound battle. Nanggugulo pa doon si Lassiter, and he takes that leather away.
Good job, Marcus, by Lassiter to get that ball.
Baroka once again, wala sa ilalim. Lassiter keeps it alive. Japet Aguilar delivers.
Lassiter, with a number of plays, nagkaroon ng pagkakataon ng Pilipinas, magkaroon ng extra possessions. That's where it all started. And then Japet Aguilar, right place, right time. Poor foul there on the part of Japet. That's an easy call. Nilagay niya yung dalawa niyang kamay sa likod ng player and made a push.
Ayun Lassiter. Dala-dalawang napakalaking mga Iranian na nakalaban sa ilalim. Managing to snatch that rebound. Problema, doon sa kabilang dulo, si Japet nga, namigay ng foul. Sticky defense ang ina-apply dito ng mga Pilipino. Iran looking to attack that baseline. Another foul whistled here.
And this is gonna be a problem. Napakaaga para sa Pilipinas. Ang dami ng tinawag na foul, daming binigay na foul.
Hindi makapaniwala si Coach Raiko Toroman, and especially that foul on Douthit. Dapat tinitipid ni Douthit yung mga foul niya para dun sa mga big man ng Iran. So Vasey at the line. Pasok yung una. And with already almost 4 minutes na lumilipas sa ating ballgame, 3 points pa lamang ang Iran. Yun yung solid start na hinanap mo, Jason.
Philippines wanted to start off by playing good defense. They've done just that so far by limiting itong Iran sa 4 na puntos lamang.
Douthit na, nagtawid ng bola because of the pressure defense. Baroka di diskarte. Pop out sa kanan. They lob it over to Japet for the jam!
The Philippines, gustong-gusto na Iran yung play na yon. And that time around, caught Iran napping. Again, napakagandang simula para sa Pilipinas, 11-4.
Kinabahan na ba si Idadi? Kumakagat ng daliri, ha? Nail biter na para sa kanya. Here comes the Iranians. Doon sa kanto for a 3-pointer. Pasok!
Good kick out on the part of Iran. They're able to make the defense of the Philippines become small dahil merong umatake sa paint. And eventually, keeping their head up to find an open man in the wing.
Naipit yung bola. They go back to Japet. Japet on the attack. Leaves it off for Douthit. Finger roll is good.
Ang maganda sa Pilipinas, pag nakita mo yung mga puntos na nakukuha nila, nanggagaling to sa mga assists. Galing sa mga pasa. Fluid offense being run right now by the Philippines.
6-point lead para sa Smart Gilas Pilipinas. Wala na pong 5 minuto natitira sa ating opening quarter. Yun nga, assist story, no? Nakakatatlo na ang mga Pilipino as a foul is whistled on the region.
That's a cheap foul. Let's look at this alley-oop a while earlier.
Chris Chu to Japet Aguilar. Excellent backdoor cut. Para dito kay Japet. At meron muna tayong timeout with the Gilas Pilipinas up 13-7. Tutok lang kayo dito sa Active on IBC for more of the Jones Cup. Tayo sa opening game ng Smart Gilas Pilipinas sa 33rd edition ng inyong William Jones Cup. Ito po ang itsura ng ating schedule for the rest of the week. Araw-araw po lalaban tayo.
The Philippines today is their first day in competition. And it is the first day ng ating Jones Cup. And kalaban kaagad natin yung 2-time defending champion against which is Iran. Pero bukas, host team naman ang kalaban natin which is Taipei. And then August 8 it will be Jordan, Malaysia on the 9th, Korea sa Ajis, tapos United Arab Emirates sa 11. Finally, Japan to finish it off. Pero hindi dyan matatapos ang kampanya ng Pilipinas dahil papasok tayo ng playoffs, and there will be a playoff on Saturday and then on Sunday.
Kung dati-rati po sa mga sanay manood ng Jones Cup, single round robin lang tapos hinahanap na doon ng champion. Ngayon po dahil wawalo ang participant sa pag-back out ng South Africa, meron pong playoffs. Merong magkakaroon ng battle for 5th, battle for 3rd, at battle for 1st. At mangyayari nga po yan. Yung placings sa Sabado, yung mismong battles sa Linggo. So tutok lang kayo sa Active on IBC. Lahat po ng laro ng Smart Gilas Pilipinas ay ihahatid namin sa inyo. So it is Gilas Pilipinas by 6 points. Doon sa rebound play, merong foul na ipinito doon sa big man ng Iran. So Mark Andy Baroka, siya po ang nag-starting 5 dito para sa Pilipinas. Comes up with an elbow jumper. 15-7. Team Pilipinas in control early in this game. Iran on the attack. They look to go down low. Skyhook, mintis para kay Cardust. Inabot pa si Chris Chu sa mukha sa rebound play.
But the good thing na ginagawa ng Pilipinas is, syempre, no, sinabi natin, mas malaki nga yung Iran, but the little guys, pag tumira yung Iran, everyone is helping out in the rebounds, and that's why, kahit na malaki yung Iran, kukunti pa lang, if any, ang nakakuha na offensive rebounds ang Iran.
Lalo na itong si Chris Chu, nakikipagbakbakan sa ilalim. One of the better rebounding guards we've seen in Asia. Sa diskarte na rin ni Chris Chu, kaya siya nakakalaban dyan sa ilalim. Here comes Iran once again. Looking to attack the defense. Kick out pass. 3-pointer na naman. Mintis. And that rebound goes hindi nagkaamo yan si Japet at si Douthit. Swerte na lang at hindi pumasok yung 3-point attempt na yon. Baroka over to Lassiter. Back to Baroka. Puts it on the floor. Spins a pass over to Japet. Mahaba pa naman yung shot clock, 12 segundo pa, and a foul is whistled on Iran.
Another thing na ginagawa na maganda ng Pilipinas is they are attacking early. When you attack early, you put pressure on the defense early. At ito, palakpakan ng tao dahil pumasok na si Haddadi.
Ahmad Haddadi of the Memphis Grizzlies, nasa sahig na para dito sa Islamic Republic of Iran. They go to the corner, bounces it over to Douthit. Pasa niya to nobody. And here comes Iran on the run. Bilis ng depensa ng Pilipinas. They look for Haddadi at the post. Cardust, nagsabay yung dalawang
malaki.
At natawagan ng 3 seconds dahil hindi niya malaman ang kanyang gagawin doon.
Yes, itong Iran, they are going to be big right now. But if you're the Philippines, Iran will also be open to transition baskets. Dahil yung dalawa na, you don't expect them to be hustling down court on defense. So if the Philippines are able to at least get defensive glass cleanly, or even when the ball goes in, they have to push the ball para mapatakbo itong dalawang malaki ng Iran.
Baroka looking to get Team Pilipinas into their set. They go to Japet, top of the key. Nasa kanyang kanan, yan si Lassiter. Puts it on the floor. Japet ulit. Nakita si Baroka. Short stab, doesn't work. Haddadi with a rebound. At siya na rin ang magtatawid ng bola. Wala na pong 2 kalahati ang natitira sa ating opening quarter. Iran on the attack. Binutata ni Japet Aguilar. Burado yung attempt nila.
Nung nagsimula itong laro na ito, everyone was talking about the big men of Iran, but it's the big men of the Philippines that have done well. Etong si Japet Aguilar, dilinis yung tira na yon ni Veisi.
Nadaplisan na pala ni Douthit, pero sinigurado neto ni Japet as JV Casio is now on the floor para dito sa Smart Gilas Pilipinas. Pinalitan niya si Mark Andy Baroka. Haddadi is whistled for steps. Parang hindi natin nakikita dati kay Haddadi yung off the dribble, Ini-small yata etong si Douthit. Facing the basket, And
a good call. He did travel.
Outside jumper. Di pumasok para kay Casio. And here comes Iran. Pasa kay Haddadi, napalakas.
Philippines lucky in the last couple of plays that etong Iran hindi nakakahabol because in our last couple of sets, offensively, hindi masyado maganda ang tinatakbo natin. But still, we have that 8-point lead.
Lassiter pulls up. Bitin. Douthit hustles for the rebound. At ang Team Pilipinas naghahanap ng double-digit advantage dito. Ito yung familiar pattern ng Gilas Pilipinas, pero this time may napitong foul.
I think that's going to be a foul on Marcus Douthit. If that's going to be on Douthit, it might be a second.
At yan ang magiging malaking dagok para dito sa Smart Gilas Pilipinas. Yes, Douthit was moving, trying to set that pick. So 2 not so good fouls coming from Marcus Douthit. Papalitan na muna siya ni Asi Taulava. Sa at kalahating minuto natitira sa ating opening quarter. Lamang pa rin tayo ng 8 kontra dito sa Iran. Aguilar, Casio, Chu, Taulava, and Lassiter make a power 5. Haddadi for 3. Doesn't work, but he ends up with the leather. Ginulo ni Japet, pero nasa Iran pa rin ang bola. Haddadi is joined by Veisi, Kamrani, Cardust, at etong si Davar Panavard. Pull-up jumper, bitin. Rebound nasa Iran pa rin. Third serving. Ito yung 3-pointer. Wala pa rin. Edadi cleans it up for the Iranians.
Not a good set there for the Philippines dahil itong Iran, ang dami nila nakuhang offensive rebound, dami nila nakuhang pagkakataon. And finally, they get their 7-footer near the basket. That is just so hard to stop.
First 2 points nga para dito kay Edadi. Aguilar over to the right side. Casio for 3. Mintis. Aguilar battles for it. Asi huli ni Cardust. Na kanino ang bola? Nandito pa rin sa Team Pilipinas. Lassiter. Bullet pass over to Japet. Looking for Asi. Parang walang gustong tumira sa loob. Casio! With a scoop layup. Yung pinakamaliit pang umatake doon.
JV Casio, he's a scorer. It doesn't matter kung gaano kalaki bumabantay sa kanya. He can score from the outside, he can score from inside. Yan ang kumpiyansa na dinadala ni JV.
First 2 points of the game para kay JV. Babawi ng 3 sa kabilang dulo. At nagigising na ang opensa ng Iran. Kamrani buries that one, forcing Iran into double digits now. Do join us for more of the 33rd edition of the Jones Cup sa aming pagbabalik.
不过菲律宾队靠着规划的球员多希特单节得到6分，目前领先伊朗队有5分。
由